Hey y'all, we're back with another eBay order. This is going to a Greg W. in Kent, Ohio. It is part number R9407. It is a 3/8 fuel filter. So we do appreciate your order. We're going to get this in the mail to you so you can get your ride back underway. Beth made you a sticker to our main YouTube channel, which is Dixie Customs. This is on Dixie Customs Extra. She wrote you a note on the back side of it, so we do appreciate your order. We'll get all this mailed out to you so you can get your ride back going. But it is car show season, so you need to keep them all running. If I can get this to fit in the bag. Just want to eat the package up. If you don't mind, like, share, subscribe to the channel. Tell a friend. Tell them to subscribe. We need all the help we can get. All the subscribers and all to the main channel. There you go, sir. We're getting the mail to you, and we appreciate your order and look forward to doing more business with you in the future. Thanks for watching.